How to use Kashoo. Need simple accounting software? Today we walk through Kashoo, how to set up invoice, track expenses, and connect your bank and generate reports. So start by signing up for an account on Kashoo.com. Once inside, the dashboard shows invoices, expenses, bank fees, and reports all in one place. Now head over into the business info setup. So enter your business name, address, and select your currency. Kashoo supports multi-currency, making it useful for freelancers working internationally. Now click on invoices, and then from here, go ahead and select enter invoice. So once you're in here, you can add client details, items, and payment terms. You can send invoices by email and accept online payments. Now head over into the income and expenses tab and select enter expense. So enter the vendor amount and category, upload receipts for easy record keeping. Now for bank reconciliation, go ahead and head over into the banking tab and then connect your bank account to import the transactions that you have from your bank into your accounting app. So Kashoo suggests categories, making reconciliation quick and accurate. Now to generate reports, head over into the reports tab and you'll find a few report selection you can use. So among the popular ones would be balance sheet. Select it and that will take you here. Generate reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and tax summaries. This help you understand your business performance at a glance. Kashoo is safe, simple, and affordable, perfect for freelancers and micro businesses. But if you need payroll, inventory, or scaling features, QuickBooks or Xero may be better long term.